everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and Do You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Every week we enter our projects into Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. Her hashtag is hashtag SatMornMakes. I'll leave the ladies' links down below. Make sure you use the hashtags so that we can find you. This week's theme for hashtag 2crafters1design was treat bags. Next week's theme will be pie. So you can use anything with a pie. All right, so I am using this set here, Celebrate You Glimmer Sentiments. I'm also using Mini Day Everyday Sentiments. This butterfly plate from My Creative Time. This large treat bag from My Creative Time. And actually it goes that way. From Avery L. or Paper Smooches, not sure which one. Anyways, I'm using this here. Once again, from My Creative Time, and this is a retired set. I'm using the mini gift box die. And then also from My Creative Time, assorted mini tag dies. And if you'd like to use a discount code for My Creative Time, you can use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase. Or you can use any one of the designers. All right, so let me show you this adorable little treat box that I created. Now it does have a little bit of space in the inside. I'm not sure if I'm going to just like stuff some what do you call it, the shred down in there, or make a little divider down in there. Turned out really cute nevertheless. I did leave the sides open there to add a different kind of detail on the side, and I thought that was adorable. And I forgot to get the die that I used for that, but it's from My Creative Time. Let me just show you real quick. I used the My Creative Time tall die layers, and I used that piece there, and then I just scored it where I needed it and glued it down. So, and then I added that little piece from the Avery L. or Paper Smooches, I'm not sure which one, right on top there. These are Cuddle Me Clayte flowers, and I did use up the last of that color, so I don't have that bag to show you. Well, I do, but it has other colors, but I use the last of that color. And then there goes the butterflies, and I did add some gems on top of the butterflies, and I thought I would bring both of the images that I used down here up here. I did forget to get that other die there, which is from her strawberry plate die. Flowers, I think it's strawberry plate die flowers from My Creative Time for the smaller ones, but I did forget to get it. But hopefully you all already have it, and if not, use my code. What I put in the inside, I put some candy in this one, if you can see that little Twix there. And then in this one, I used these blender brushes I got from my crafter, and I popped 2 of those in there. It was a perfect little fit. And like I said, not sure what I'm going to do with the center quite yet, but I'll think of something maybe. I don't know. Probably just add some shredded in the center, but not sure. But I thought this turned out so cute. And then there goes the Have a Blessed Day from one of the glimmer plates, and then I pulled that little center and put it right down here as another decorative element there. I really like how it turned out. All right, so if you have the chance, make sure you go over and visit the ladies. I'll have their links down below. Make sure you use the hashtags so we can find you and see what you have created for our challenge. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.